welcome back to Haley's Amazing Life. Today I am going to share my fidgets with you guys. I looked around the house to make sure it is all my fidgets too. And by the way, I put out the nutcracker for exciting music if you didn't notice. So the first fidget is my newest fidget. I just got it yesterday. It's this really nice puppet. It is blue, purple, and then has a little bit of white. So it popped really well. For if you are wondering, I'll let you get set. Let's just pop it. Get because pop it. It's a little bit louder here. Real loud. Okay, well we have that. For Christmas, I got a fidget calendar, and on day 24, I got this mitten puppet. Wait, here about rating. This I give it like a 9 out of 10 because I hadn't got a chance to watch it, but it came dirty. But I think I'm gonna watch that this weekend. This one I give like a 9 out of 10 too, cause I do really like it. I just wish I seen this in different colors. I wish I could got it a different color, but I do really like the popping. I get really attractive too when I pop it. Now let's see let's get happy. Okay, well, I have one. In my stocking, I also, in my brother's stocking, he found this and Santa gave me a boy puppet. So me and my brother traded. So I have this bright colored puppet. If you didn't know, the pops are shaped like little hearts. I really liked this, but once again, I'm out of 10 because the popping on the back side isn't really good. Poppings, I know it's called the back side, but still, don't make it super bad, not super bad, you know? I got this at the Georgia Fair. I don't really know why I did. I don't really play with it much, but I do really like the coloring and everything. So yeah, maybe a 9 10 and 9.5 now. I have this popsicle puppet. I get it out of 10 because I really like the colors in the popping, and it also brings back memories from when I was little, because during summer I would always go to the park, and then the ice cream truck was always coming out. Oh, my dad would always get me and my brother Colton and a popsicle, and they always had candies all over it, shaped like some sort of character. Cool and light. So yeah, this was my first puppet. It has the alphabet on it and it's rainbow. It doesn't really feel like normal puppet, but I feel like it's because it was one of the first puppets in the world. So yeah, they're still working on how good puppets are, but my brother's playing Fortnite, so if you're wondering what that noise is. But it's kind of ripped. It still can pop, just, yeah, I ripped. So I give it 9/10 because it ripped. I have this dolphin puppet that I got for Christmas. Has really good popping. And I really like the colors. It isn't broken or anything, so 10 out of 10. I also have this, something just blown out. I also have this stocking puppet. I give it a 10 out of 10 because you can actually use that little keychain made like for your doll or something, and it can also like open and put stuff in it. And I actually really like the colors. It pops really good too. So yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. I have this bumblebee puppet. It's my favorite puppet, so if it's my favorite puppet, I'll definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I really like the pastel colors and it has a really good popping. And it actually has like little pops, but the puppets don't really have glue. So I actually really like it. I actually really do this sliding thing. This is I have this unicorn little mini puppet. That I got from this. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10, not because I don't like it or anything. I just would rather have like different colors, but within a fidget, it's a mystery. So whoever got it for me, they didn't really know the colors. I'm still so grateful I got this. And I also have like little fires. I also have like a little fires. I have something in my picture like a poo. My brother has green and maybe blue, and I have purple. I'm not purple. I have a normal size and a mini, and not the mini size or the smallest. Those are like the size of maybe like half of a Barbie's arm, the whole arm of Chelsea's. Yeah. I also have a simple dimple, triple I'm going to try to say dimple 3 times fast. Triple dimple, triple dimple, triple dimple. It's actually really hard. So yeah. I have this pastel, well not pastel, but colored brightly. It is blue and pink. It's really good way. I get it out there, and the things can actually stack up. But if you collect infinite cubes, you can actually stack them, or at least try to. So then, it's really good. Okay, I have this puppet bracelet. I have one in my desk at school too. It's light purple and has like a fidget spinner thing, and then like 6 pops, something like that. So yeah, pastel purple is its color. But this one, I got my second this year too. Well, not this year because it hasn't been Christmas this year yet, but last year, actually really good. It's actually really comfortable to wear. It's really good function and I actually can do this. Really satisfying. Really like the colors. I also get, if you have the size of a puppet, the octopus thing like I do, it can be like a little headband. Wait, let's see if I can fit it as a necklace. Okay. This. And get this thing off. Oh. Okay. Necklace 2. And to make it with the headband. I have the bright the pink, or as you would say, hot pink slinky that I got for Halloween last year. Really like it. Woo! Hello? Oh, I can make a really good meow sound like this cat. Where are you? You can demonstrate to rate how good I am, okay? Okay. I don't think she's going to come. But that's my cat, by the way. And I can also do it really good with my mouth closed. Okay, let's back on topic. I'm trying to say my favorite fidget for last. Actually, I have this simple fidget spinner. I have to touch it a few times because it went in the water, so for a little bit it was like, yeah, it was spinning very well, so yeah. Actually pops really good on the good side. Once again, 9 out of 10 because the bad side is not the best. I have this mochi that had a rough height. Why am I frowning about it? I don't know. But yeah, I used to be a penguin. I also have 2 rare mochis. Let's see if I can find my other rare mochi. Okay, I guess I'll have to show them. Oh, here it is. These 2 are rare. I don't really know what this thing is. If you know what it is, please comment down below. I have no idea. So I have that rare one. And then I also have a chicken. Or okay, my grandma will be better than she owns chickens. So yeah, for Christmas last year from one of my students named Dominique, I got this rainbow puppet, mini puppet, really good popping. I really like the colors and I can attach it to my backpack. So, 10 out of 10. I have this like monster stress ball, purple and yellow, and I'm obsessed with it. Whoops. I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I am obsessed with this house. Oh, the fidget. Okay, well, I have that. I have this pea popper but this one is shaped like peanuts. This one doesn't want to come up. Okay, there we go. There one. It's crying. And the other one broke. It was a silly face. I just hurt and the couch doesn't really go up anymore. I also have this little mousey. That's one that was to go like my other two rare ones. I have this squirrel. Gets a little dirty from time to time. Apparently, likes to slip out there because it can sleep. Hello. So yeah, that. I have the snapper. Really? Good. I really like the colors. And I really like the curving the thing and then doing up. If you can see, I really like doing that. 10 out of 10. And sorry, I keep on forgetting to rate sub. Really sorry for that, but I don't know which one, so I can't. Or else I'll probably do the whole thing. I have these, like, I know, all of my cat looks like she all of a sudden once. Let's see if she'll jump up. Looney, Looney, Woody, Woody. Let's see if you guys will be able to see her. I don't want any balls to see. You want to jump? You want to jump? Okay. So I have 14. Now she all around it. And these can also be something for your octopus. Sorry, I almost said octopi. But it is a plural, but it means more than one. For octopus. I have this fidget pad. In my opinion, it looks very much like a remote control. I feel like it was supposed to be like made after a remote control or something. It has spinning things. That's called on and off switch. Spinny. And then another spinny. And these buttons, only the red one, is the one that goes on the top. It has this thing that you put down, and it has like these bumps that you put on, that you rub your finger on. I have this kitty. You okay, Cole? Yeah. Another figure. I have a bouncy ball. Let's go to that. Oh, there's Luna. She says meow meow. I want to meow. That's the bouncy ball that I got for Halloween, so it has a on it. 3. Let's do it again. Okay, got it that time. Okay. I have this like spiky ball. I don't know if I like this or not because you don't want to don't get stuck in your hair. Not sticky part. apple that I got on my fidget calendar. It's a piece of candy with a big pop. It's really good. Light blue string. Really like it. And you know what you're doing Christmas time. Yay! I have the homemade pressure ring with 4 purple beads and a green string. So yeah, I made that. I have 3 monkey nose where it's both the exact same. Really fun scratching. Over here, this little guy do his stuff. For if you're wondering what he does. Okay, so I have that little guy. Like walkie, walk, wow, wow. So we're going to go. I'm just not really saying I have tons. So here is it. What people call it is called a bike chain, but I call it a flip chain because there's actually another thing that looks way more like a bike chain. I want to give it an 8 out of 10 because these things are like not my thing. I like more like crazy fun ones. This is not that much. I think, and then you're supposed to put one of these on this, and then it'll be flipping. And then you have to make it really hard to flip. So yeah. Next time this year I got this. Don't know what it is. You can turn the screen, but to me it looks like a green tree log. This thing has a mad face. No, not mad. Shouty and mad face. All these blunt and these green things on switch. Something that you can pull. Just put your finger on it, this blue button, rubber. So I have that. And one snake. I got this for Christmas. My brother has a green and white. I have a black and white. So yeah. One time I made a heart out of it and made a tree, but now I'm like, how did we even do that? last fidget and my favorite fidget. This. Why a mini pocket? Well, it has my favorite color on it, light pink. I can hang it on my backpack. It has really good popping on both sides. I feel like both sides is the good side. It's shaped like a present. I do really like it. I just one in my life. And that's all. So, bye guys. See you next time.